What up, guys? Live Eventually, checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're gonna go over why you should keep your financial life simple. We're gonna get right to the chase. No time wasted. Let's get into it.
All right, guys. What is being simple? Being simple is being easy to understand or do as being plain or not elaborate.
All right, crew. With that being said, you shouldn't be falling for any scam lingo, right? Like, give me this and I'll flip it right back, then get it right back, then I'll give it right back to you, right? You want to find yourself on a CNBC special because you got hustled because someone fast talked you out of your money just because they seem sincere or genuine. If it's not simple to understand, then you should be running away, going the opposite direction. And to further that point, at the end of the day, I know there's the term out there, financial literacy, but we personally believe it's all about financial discipline. Because at the end of the day, you know what you make and you know what you spend. So that's gonna come down to you being financially disciplined and spending within your range and budget.
All right, guys. So let's actually keep this simple. If you make a certain amount of money, what you're gonna do is you're gonna in turn save a certain amount of money. And then if you're gonna save a certain amount of money from the money that you made, you're gonna in turn invest some of that money. And then also you're gonna pay your bills and utilities and things of that nature with that money. A percentage of the money you make needs to be allocated to these items. That is how you budget. That is how you make sure that you're not living paycheck to paycheck.
And the simplest way to keep it simple is just by simply writing everything down, or put it on your cell phone, whatever you feel most comfortable. But you want to keep track of everything. We have so many budgets to choose from, such as the 50-50 method, the 50-25-25, the 50-30-20. So many budgets, right, guys? We got links all over the place where you can just get a masterclass just on budgeting alone, guys. There's so many budgets out there, and you gotta find what works for you.
Why simple, guys? Well, the simpler it is, the more likely you are to stick to it. The more likely you are to continue pursuing it or going forward. It's just like dieting, you know? It's just like exercising. As long as it's simple, dumb, stupid, you keep it at the minute level, it's easy to accomplish, it's easy to do. So that's why it's simple.
At the end of the day, guys, there's a lot of stress and depression and anxiety levels. A lot of this is all caused by financial problems, financial constraint. You can't afford the things that you want and you don't make enough money. You overspending, trying to keep up with the Joneses, Jones artists like we always talk about. And if you have a simple budget, a simple financial life, you'll be able to alleviate some of that stress, anxiety, and the depression just by keeping your financial life simple, and you can focus on other aspects of your life and to grow and develop.
All right, guys, and lastly, we get to the reward of all of this. What is the fruit of our labor? Guys, you get to do more of what you love, your hobbies. You get to your fun, guys. More of that, more of the adventure, the trips, the traveling, the bottle service, the luxury items. These are the steps you take to get there, and the reward, I mean, it speaks for itself.
Like we always talk about, guys, this is a simple method for you to keep your financial life simple. Like, comment, subscribe below. Let us know you agree, disagree. Live eventually. The world is yours.